Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA SIN formula in Excel 2013. So first of all, we're going to record a macro to enable us to create our VBA code. So here I'm calling it SINE underscore FX for function. I've recorded that. I'm going to click on stop. Then I'm going to go back to the macros section of the view tab and click on the macros button and edit my code. You can see the apostrophes here stand for comments, and when you comment something out it turns to a green color in the Excel VBA editor. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to paste in my code. I'm going to get rid of n sub, and I'm going to get rid of the the n sub and sub, but these are duplicates I've just got rid of. We're going to put in my error handling clause. Basically the on error resume next you see here is what I put as a line in front or on top of every line of code I have. I normally put this error handling clause in. So you can see the actual code says MSGBOX, MSGBOX, and it's going to display the SIN formula, and it's going to calculate that on the number 2. So in order to test it out, I can play it in here. Click on run in here, which is a play icon, or you can press function F5. You can see it's giving me the SIN value of 2, which is 0.909. Click on OK. If you want to do the same thing in the workbook or in Excel spreadsheet, you can go to the View tab of Excel, click on the Macros button, and highlight the macro you want to run, the macro name, and click on Run, and it gives you the same value, 0.909. And that's basically the Excel SIN function in Excel VBA 2013.